Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to show how to log off disconnected sessions using Citrix Director. Let's say if there is a user and user is accessing some application or virtual desktop. For whatever reason, this application is not responding properly. Okay, this application is not responding properly, and when user tries to access this application, it is not responding. So in this particular scenario, what you can do is you can check the session information on the Citrix Director to see what is actually happening. If you feel that the session is in disconnected state, then you can probably log off the session. Okay, so for troubleshooting purpose, what you can do is you can first uh, take the details of the user or the machine. Let's say there is a user called administrator, or let's say there is a machine called VDI03. Okay, I'm gonna type VDI03. So the user is connected to this particular machine. It is trying to pull out some information. Okay, so user is connected to this particular machine, the machine is on and it is registered, and these are the other details that you can see on the screen. But for some reason user is not able to access this particular session. So in this scenario, what you can do is you can log off the session, which is quite good. Sometimes you can log off the disconnected sessions and ask the user to log in and access the application again, and this would probably take care of the issues. Okay, so if you would like to log off the session, what you can do is you can just look for the user. Okay, and okay, this is the user. Now it would give a lot of details on the screen. On the left hand side you see log off. So if you want to log off the session of the user, you can click on this, and there is this shadow option. If you want to shadow user session, you can also do it using shadowing option. So in this scenario, you feel like the session is in disconnected state and you have checked it, and user is not able to access the session anymore. So in this scenario, you can probably go ahead and log off the session. So for that, you can just click on log off. Okay, so it says log off user from machine. So once you click on log off, so it is going to log off the session in a minute. In a few seconds it will log off the session. Okay, so I'm just going to refresh to see the status. Okay, if you see now, it is no more asking me to log off because the session has been logged off successfully, and it says that the last connection attempt was so and so time. So we have successfully logged off the machine, and you can ask the user to log in and try to connect the machine, and if he or she connects to it, then the problem is resolved. Okay, so you can always log off the disconnected sessions, and whenever the session is not active, whenever the session is disconnected, you can speak to the user, you can disconnect it, and you can ask the user to launch the application again and to see if it works. Okay, I hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you.